house to get her hair done, and I had me another popsicle. My mama, why you get your hair done? 'Cause every time you be at the house with me, you always had your bonnet on. So where are you going? 'Cause you not leaving me wherever you going. And then, y'all, my mama's a stalker. She was watching my packages get to the house because I have another brand partnership coming up that I'm super duper excited about. And then, y'all, I had me a chicken neck. I ain't never had no chicken neck, and then our mail, my grandma took it away from me because it was so good. And then she gave me one again, and I was so happy. I'm like, girl, wait a minute, this ain't got no meat on it, but I'm gonna eat it.